Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ConvertKit step by step from signing up to sending your first automated email. By the end, you'll have a working subscriber flow and a live broadcast ready to send. First, go to ConvertKit.com and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Use an email you check regularly so you don't miss welcome confirmations. After signing up, follow the quick setup prompts. Add your name, business name, and time zone. These small details help with timestamps and personalization. Next, verify your sending email. Go to Settings, then Email Settings, and confirm the email address you'll send from. Verifying improves deliverability and trust. To start collecting subscribers, open Forms and click Create Form. Choose a template, inline, modal, or landing page, then customize headline, button text, and fields. In the form settings, enable the incentive email if you offer a free resource. Upload the file or paste a download link so subscribers receive it automatically. Set a friendly success message too. Publish the form by copying the embed code to your website, or by using ConvertKit's hosted landing page URL. Always test the live form with a real email address to confirm the flow. Next, create a sequence for onboarding. Go to Sequences, click New Sequence, add your first welcome email, then schedule follow-up emails with delays between them. Open Automate and choose Visual Automations. Click New Automation, pick the entry point Joins a Form, select your form, and then add the action Subscribe to Sequence to start the welcome flow automatically. Use tags to label subscribers and segments to group them. Add a tag inside your automation whenever someone signs up. This makes targeted campaigns simple later. To send a one-time email, go to Broadcasts and click New Broadcast. Pick a template or start fresh, write your subject and content, choose recipients like a tag or segment, then preview and send or schedule. Connect integrations in Settings, Integrations. Link WordPress, Shopify, Zapier, or other apps so signups and purchases automatically flow into ConvertKit. Always test with a real email address. Confirm the incentive, tags, and sequence timing. Then monitor analytics for open and click rates and refine subject lines and content to improve performance. And that's how to use ConvertKit step by step from signing up to automating your first welcome series and sending broadcasts. If you'd like, I can make a deeper video on advanced automations or segmentation strategies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.